Hi guys, hope you're well. It's still Mr. Richard on Prelim, paper 1 Mathematics 2016 Gauteng. So we are working on question 4. Yes, we're working on question 4. So there we are given the graph of a hyperbola. It's sketch with an asymptote of 4 and 2, and t, it's a point on F and C. It's a point on F and C. It's a point on F, and C is the point of intersection of the asymptotes. Let's take a look at this graph. Take a look at this graph. Okay, we are going to work with it. It's quite. It's not that tedious. Basics are the key, guys. Basics are the key. So, 4.1, you are required to determine the values of A and P and Q. So remember, we're working on question 4, that is 6 marks. So 4.1, we are required to determine the value of A. Yes, remember, the effect of A determines the shape of the graph. It tells you more about the shape, and P and Q are your asymptotes, right? So let's write the formula there. We are given as, remember, it's 4.1. The formula is given as y is equals to a x plus p plus q. First thing, place your asymptotes. Your asymptotes were given as x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 2. Okay, let's place them. So we know this is for the vertical asymptote, it will be x plus 4. Horizontal, it will be plus 2 then. Remember that they said the t, it's a point on F. So we are going to use t to find the missing value of A. So we are going to use t to find the missing value of A. So we are having 5 and 3 there. So this is our x and this is our y. So from this case, what are we going to do? Where there is y, we shall place 3. And where there is a, we shall place 5. So it's going to be 5 plus 4 plus 2. So when you transpose 2 to the other side, it will be 3 minus 2, which will be 1, right? So in this case, you're also going to have 5 plus 4, that will be 9. Yes. 5 plus 4, that will be 9. So for us to get A, we can multiply by 9 both sides. Multiply by 9. So this and this, they cancel. What is 9? What is 9 times 1? 9 times 1 will be 9. So in other words, A, it's 9. So we have this equation now. 9 all over x plus 4 plus 2. So that's how you're supposed to answer question 4.1. You've already give them the values there. We have A as 9. We have P as 4. We have Q as 2. Then that's how we are going to get 4.1. So let's look at 4.2. At 4.2, they said give the equation of H, the reflection of F in the y-axis. Well, these questions may be tedious if you don't know the basics. Remember, you have to find the equation of H. Given what is the first thing? What is the equation of F? The equation of F is given as f of x is equals to 9 plus x plus 4 plus 2. So when we reflect about x-axis, according to the rules of reflection, when you reflect about, y-axis, your x value becomes negative. This is the rule that you should know. In one of my videos, I will upload a video that is based on transformation geometry. You will get to learn this rule very well. So it's good. Let's whether it's f of, since we're looking for h, we shall place f of x, h of x, so it's going to be 9. Remember I said the value of it's only the value of x that will be negative when you reflect about y-axis. So we are going to have negative x plus 4 plus 2, in which it's going to be negative, right, there it's 9 all over x plus 4 plus 2. So this is the equation they are looking for here. So you are done with 4.2. Okay, that was here. That was 4.2. Okay, now let's look at our last question, which is 4.3. Now they said if the graph of f is symmetrical about the line y is equals to negative x, determine the value of c. So you're given a negative symmetry there. At 4.3, they said you're given this equation, y is equals to negative x plus c. Guys, to find the value of c if you're given a symmetrical line, you are going to use your x value of an asymptote and your y value of an asymptote. So in other words, you're going to use 4 and 2. Then we shall substitute them. This is x and y. Where there is y, we shall put 2. Where there is x, we shall put 4. Then when you transpose negative 4 to the other side, it will be 2 plus 4, which will be 6. In return, it will be 6. So what are we going to give? We did get the value of c. So in other words, we're having this equation. We are having y is equals to negative x plus 6. So this is the equation. So that's how you're supposed to work. That's how you're supposed to work with question 6 when you're working with a hyperbola. Hope you find this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe and tune for the upcoming questions, which is 5, where we are still on functions, but we are going to talk about the inverse functions. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, and remember, we love you.